how do I determine how much skin I remove in an upper eyelid blepharoplasty to create a natural and good cosmetic result? Well, the first thing I do is I look at other things that may contribute to the aging of the eyelid that should be addressed at the same time. This could include eyelid ptosis, that's where the eyelid itself is not fully open because the muscle is weak, or eyebrow ptosis, where the eyebrow drops, causing you to have a little more skin on your upper eyelid. These can be addressed separately or with a blepharoplasty. The second thing that's important to know is I try to remove the least amount of skin or fat to achieve the aesthetic goal when I'm performing a blepharoplasty. When you look at unnatural results, the tendency is that there has been an over-aggressive excision of skin or fat to create hollowness or an unnatural appearance. You'd much rather wish your surgeon had taken a tiny bit more than wish he had taken less. The third thing I do is I try to remove skin that'll fit into the natural aesthetic of the patient's eyelid. What does that mean? So everyone has a platform. That's the distance between the lash and the crease. That's the area that women put eyeshadow on. When people age, that platform tends to get obscured and people have trouble with eyeshadow, and it gives a more tired appearance of the eyelid. What I'm doing in a blepharoplasty is removing some of that skin to even out the platform, and that tends to give a natural result. That height will be different on different people based on what is natural for them. The final thing to think about is safety. I always perform a pinch technique, which is you use your forceps and pinch the skin that you're going to remove to make sure that the patient can still close their eyelids. This way you know you're not taking too much skin. Though it's not 100% perfect, it's helpful to making sure that you stay within the guidelines of what's safe for the eye and closure. So I hope that helps. That's a summary of what I do to try to give the most natural, aesthetically pleasing result in upper eyelid blepharoplasty. Thanks so much and have a great day.